Willow Granny Square is one of my favorite granny square, and till now I have made spectacle cases, travel pouches, tops and men's sweater with that. Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how I make my favorite Willow Granny Square. This I use for tops, bags and pillow covers. You can make many more things with granny squares. For this I am going to use cotton thread for demonstration purpose because the thread is little thicker and I can use big size hooks. Stitches will be very clear for you. Let's get started. For making Willow Granny Square, I am going to use 4-ply cotton thread, my favorite pair of scissors, a darning needle and 3.5 mm crochet hook. To start with, we are going to make 16 DC in the either a magic ring or a small circle that we will create with chain 4 and slip stitch. So make a moving knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch into the very first one, and chain 3. So this is going to be my smallest loop where I will add rest of them. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will be counted as my first DC, and total I will have 16 DCs in the center or in the circle. After 16 DCs, slip stitch and we are good to start for the next line. Chain 3 and one more chain, so chain 4 and DC on the next DC, again chain 1, DC on the next DC, chain 1, DC on the next DC. This is how we are going to do the next line. We started with 16 DCs in the center. Now we have 16 DC plus chain 1 spaces. Now again chain 3. I am going to do 2 DC in this chain 1 space and there will be DC on DC. So in this line the addition will be 2 DCs in that chain 1 space. This is how our work will look after 3 lines. Still it is in the circular form. Now if we want to convert it into a square, what we need is to create corners. So I am going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6, skip 2, 1, 2 and single crochet. This is going to be my first corner. then chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in the third one, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in the third one, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in the third, and now I will chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 2, single crochet in the third. Now this would be my second corner. So for corners I'm going to chain 5, and for rest of the things I'm going to chain 3. Chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet. Again I have created 3 loops of chain 3, so I need to create a loop of chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5, skip 2, single crochet. This is my third corner. Likewise I will complete. After doing chain 3 for the last time, I am going to single crochet in the very first chain of this chain 6. So this is how from circle now we have created corners, and we will build the square on it. After joining or slip stitching into very first chain, I am going to chain 3. This will be counted as my first DC, and I will have 4 more DCs in the space. Now if you want to create the corner, you need to keep the chains in between so that the direction of the DCs change. So this is a direction of one side, chain 3, and then again I will do 5 DCs in the same space. But just see, magically when we add number of chains in between, the direction of the work changes. See this. So first 5 DCs, chain 3, and next 5 DCs. This is our first corner. After the corner is done, in the first chain 3 space we are just going to do a single crochet. Now this next chain 3 space would be the middle chain 3 space, where we will be doing 7 double crochets. 3 4 5 6 and 7. I will just spread them evenly. Again a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, directly jumping onto corner space. Here I will do 5 DC, chain 3 and 5 DC. Five DC, chain 3 and 5 DC. This is how we are progressing now. Once again, let me repeat you. For the corners, we have taken 5 DC, 3 chains 5 DC, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 7 DC in the next chain 3 space, again single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 5DC, chain 3, 5DC for corner. This is what I have followed for this line. Now my circle is converted into corners, and you can easily see how my square will be developed further. After I close this line, I make chain 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I single crochet in the corner, chain 3 and single crochet in the corner, chain 5 and a double crochet on this single crochet. Now I am just leveling the corners, chain 3, and I am going to do a single crochet on the top of the 4th DC in the previous line of 7 DC, chain 3, DC on the single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the corner, again chain 3, single crochet in the same space, chain 5, double crochet on this single crochet, chain 3, single crochet on the 4th DC of the cluster of 7, chain 3, DC on the single crochet, chain 5, so this chain 8 is chain 3 for DC and chain 5, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the corner, chain 5, double crochet on the single crochet, chain 3, single crochet on the 4th DC of the middle cluster, chain 3, DC on SC, chain 5, SC in the corner, chain 3, another SC, chain 5, likewise we will continue. Now we are leveling the square. This is how our work will look now. If you see it, we have created compartment around each petal. So 4 corner petals and 4 central petals. That's what we have at the end of this row. This is a very quick project. I'm already on the last line. I am going to slip stitch and come into the chain 5 space, chain 3, this will be counted as my first DC, then I will do 4 more DCs in the chain space. So in 5 chain space I will have 5 DCs, then for corner what I am going to do is 3 DC, chain 3 and 3 DC in the same space, there will be 5 DCs in the 5 chain space. Here I will make 3 DCs and here I will make 3 DCs. So total I will have 6 DCs in this space. Again 5 DCs. Again for corner I will make 3 DC, 3 chain, 3 DC. This is how I will move ahead. After I slip stitch into the 3rd chain, my Willow Granny Square is complete. I am done with 2 Willow Granny Squares. Now what I will need is a button, some thread and a darning needle. What I am going to do is I will stitch first granny square as an envelope, and to the open side of it I will join the another one. And my spectacle case will be ready. Once the pouch is done, what is remaining is putting the lining. Measure the width of the spectacle case and the length. Accordingly, cut the piece of cloth. So this much border I am leaving for stitching. My spectacle case is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.